She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as Natural Rain, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and then click the notification bell right next to it so you don't miss my new uploads. So today, my neighbor. Introduce yourself, neighbor.
It's me, Dot, aka.com. Yes. Hello. Hi.
So today my neighbor is going to be doing, what is it? A twist Bantu knot?
They're Bantu knots. They're Bantu knots.
But with twisting
From
them.
two-strand twists.
So
all
what's
the real
the
ones
official
know,
name of that?
They're just Bantu knots.
That is-
All the real ones know that you do your Bantu knots by two-strand twisting them first, and then you do the knot.
She just called me fake.
Most effective way to do it. Period.
She just called me fake.
She
because
really
I didn't know that.
opinionated
It's
about
crazy.
her hairstyles.
Yes. And I'm here with my roommate, Casey. Roommate. She's gonna be doing the Bantu knots as well, so y'all should make sure to check out her channel because that's where it's gonna be in the description box.
So first we're gonna section her hair into 4 sections. Breathe me, baby.
Turn around and just...
That just kind of came out. It's fine.
What? My hair?
No! That would have been funny.
I was gonna be like, stop.
That just kind of fell
Stop.
out.
I thought she was talking about my hair. I'm like, I don't have time for this. I don't.
This is a section. You see this section? Okay.
Wait, so what's interesting about my hair?
It's interesting that how your curls are clumped. Huh. Look at that. Wow.
Do curls not normally clump? I'm
Yes.
confused.
Okay, so look. When I separate my hair, my curls aren't clumped like this because my hair is frizzy and dry and ugly. Okay, whatever. And it's not ugly, but
I already have a leave-in in them.
yeah, but it's like when I try to separate it, the curls are sticking together because they're just like, no, we're friends. Like,
We like each other.
we don't want to do that. But whereas my curls are just like, I don't like us, so I mean, we can move. You want to make sure your hair's wet because that's the best way to do Bantu knots because they set very well. So
Water bottle.
we're gonna make sure it's wet. Your hair is actually wet enough. I probably wouldn't wet this
Where? Look at my hair showing out.
I'm just gonna spray once.
When this is my
I
hair,
can make it. There we go.
when I'm doing my hair, I usually just, you know, finger detangle a little bit before I put that brush on there because everything got to be real smooth. That's a key.
I see your shirt.
Yep.
It's fine. They know you're.
So y'all, I already have this leave-in. This is by Create Botanicals. It's the high porosity leave-in, and I'll have them linked down below in the description box. But this is the leave-in that's already in my hair. Then Doctor's gonna apply.
Pillow Soft Curls, my favorite.
But no, this is not product free. Do not expect to have product free Bantu knots. You finna mess up your
That's
hair.
not a thing.
It's not.
Not even a thing.
Never play yourself.
It's fine. Yeah, because I don't want to hurt you.
Please
She's
don't.
fine. But
Wait, what?
In a minute, I'm gonna be like, she'll be all right. You know, it won't hurt that bad.
I'm over here like, ah.
It is.
I'm gonna go ahead and twist and then go ahead and Bantu knot it right after I twist because I feel like that's a little more time.
So let's twist. Boom.
I could tell she's gonna be fast.
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh, I'm feeling it. She like halfway done. It's like a race.
I think because your hair is reminding me a lot of my brother's hair. So I'm
In
just
what
gonna have to-
ways?
Because his curls clump like this. I'm not even gonna lie, he has the better curls of his family. Don't tell him I said that. He's not gonna watch this video, so he has better curls of the family. So his curls clump very nicely, but since they clump so nicely, they get tangled really quickly,
Yeah,
and they don't like to come apart because they're best friends. So
yeah.
I have to like go through and like really take my time to separate his hair when I'm doing it. Oh, my hair's so long.
Hi, I'm Natural Rain.
Natural Rain.
My hair's so long. I can't even do it all.
They just make fun of me all day. That's all they do. They just sit here and they make fun of me. I think what my friends don't realize about me is that I'm a very sensitive person. And they just laugh at my sensitivity.
Here we go.
Nah, I'm kidding y'all. I be straight.
I'll be straight. I'm good.
I be straight.
dum, 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 dum.
How you twisting differently, Daughtry?
Oh, so you know how some people will take the 2 strands and they just twist them regularly.
Yep.
Well, I take them, and I actually do this completely on accident and subconsciously, because I don't know how to stop doing it, honestly. But I take the 2 sides and wrap it around my finger first, and then wrap them around themselves.
Okay.
Yeah, like a tuck.
Yeah.
Tuck.
Yeah.
But I've literally
not bad.
always
I do
done
that.
that, and I don't know how not to do it.
Yeah, I do
so.
that too.
So you saying my hair was dry and that's why you was like, let me.
Absolutely.
Got it.
I look at it every video I watch, and I'm just like,
Yeah.
she really needs some.
You be like, is
TLC,
this your
because-
hair guru?
Literally, is this her? Because I don't know about that.
It's about to get real disrespectful.
Meanwhile, me every 2 seconds, Jalen, what should I put on my hair? Because I just feel like I'm curious to see what this looks like, because our hair is similar but so different at the same time. So
Yeah, when I first saw her like freshman year,
yeah,
I was like, oh, this is like Jalen's, but
it's
No.
different. It's different. Like, it's like,
because you had like singular curls.
yeah, Jalen's curls just, honestly, it's just that Jalen's curls clump together and mine don't. Like, if yours,
But hers
if
are
mine,
still like individualized like yours are.
yeah.
How you gonna
I
let
don't like
Casey
to wear
beat you? This supposed to be your thing.
First of all, she didn't have to detangle like I had to. Second of all, her hair is dry. Your hair is wet. That's 2 different things.
I was just being extra.
about
I
to
wasn't
say.
actually judging you.
If this a race, we can make it a race.
No,
Well,
no.
I won.
No, we can make it a race on even playing field. The playing field
I thought we were
is
gonna be
not
like
even.
finishing at the same time.
This took what, an hour and some change. When I do mine, there's no learning curve and none of that. So it literally takes me at the most, and I'm talking about from dry hair to knotted and in the bed, 30 minutes.
Oh, sorry.
That was good.
She said, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay.
Can I just say my forehead is going crazy right now? It's going crazy.
What? Why was that gonna be my caption for the mini twist picture that I post? It was like my forehead came to play.
My forehead, like, it came out to play. Usually it's in hiding, but today, full force forehead. Whew.
It's okay.
I forget my forehead this big, you know? It's
Yikes.
always covered. It's a lot.
Yikes.
But I was down and out like that, sweetie. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No, 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 no. Don't hold no right. Yeah. But against better than
Last night, you ready? This is intense.
Yes, I'm
intense.
ready.
A finishing moment here. I don't know about finish, but a close to finishing moment here. The last knot. Do, 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 do. You twist it till it wraps around itself, and you wrap it. You let it wrap itself. Bantu knots do the work for you. That's why I love them so much. You put them in, they do it for you. You don't gotta do nothing. All right.
What?
She's like,
You gotta get the shot, man. You gotta get the shot.
With the knots. How's it feel to not have the hair on your neck?
I feel bald.
Fair.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel bald.
And not have it all in your face and stuff. Hi, Jay. Wow, you're back.
Shortcut. I feel a lot of breeze on my scalp.
Yeah, the fan isn't really helping much.
Yeah. It's actually a little chilly in here. I look like a punk rocker.
I use
Like some punk.
Alright guys, so it's all twisted up. She did it. How long did it take you?
It was about an hour and some change, so like an hour, hour and a half, somewhere around there.
Honestly, way quicker than I could have done it. Let me tell you, she with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about an hour, and then we're gonna cross our fingers and hope something shakes. If not, I'm going to go to sleep in these. So I'll see you either in an hour or tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm back. It's the next day. This took forever to dry. I slept with it overnight, and then I was under the dryer for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So if that lets you know how it's going, this is why. I never did Bantu knots on dry hair, but you know, my neighbor got it, she got it. So if you guys are wondering, this bonnet is from Glow by Day. I will have them linked down in the description box, but this is my favorite one that they have. I just love the color. Like, can you tell? Because my nails almost match. This is a color. I like this. So under this, I'm looking like somebody's auntie. You already know what's going on. I already did my edges because I just felt like that's what you do. I ain't really got no baby hairs, so we could just get over that. Okay, yeah, so this is what I'm looking like. And if they're not dry, the amount of tears that are going to fall down my face will be insane, absolutely ridiculous. So I'm just gonna take down the Bantu knots with this oil. This oil is by Naturalicious and it smells good. That's pretty much what I look for in my oils. Like, does it work? Add a little shine? Does it smell good? So I'm gonna be taking them out, and if they're not dry, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do if they're not dry. Like, I'm not equipped, prepared, none of that to handle that type of situation. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do it. So just got some oil, squeeze a little bit. You don't want to go too crazy because you don't want your hair to look like greasy. That's not cute. Okay. That's one. It's lit. That one's dry. But you know, the ones in the back were done first, so that really don't mean nothing. Dang it! This one's still a little wet! Ah! I'm about to have a panic attack. I can't do this. I'm gonna have to sit under the dryer some more. Do y'all see why I mess with Wash and Go's heavier? Do y'all see? Cause this is driving me crazy. About to, woo! I don't know if I can deal. I think I got the rest of them. Okay, so my hair is looking ridiculously curly and so freaking short. Why it's so little? Okay. This is what it's looking like. I think I got them all. Please tell me I got all these Bantu knots. Yep. Yeah, it's feeling like I got them all. But this is what it's looking like before I take them down. So the only problem I'm having is that the ones in the fronts, they are still a little wet. So I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for a little while, and then I'll be back when they're completely dry. Because the thing about the style is you do not take them down if your hair is wet. It will not turn out the same. So I'm gonna make sure that all of this work, all of this waiting wasn't in vain. So I'll be back. Okay, so I sat under the dryer for like an extra 25 minutes and they's dry. And if they not dry, I'm just gonna bust out in tears, and that's all she wrote. So I'm gonna try to make this easier on myself. And they're so little. They're so tiny. But I figured this way I won't miss a freaking Bantu knot. Oh, this so little. I'm not used to my hair looking this little. So I'm gonna take some more oil, just like one pump, and use it to take my hair down. Last one, finally. Okay, did I get them all? Because I'm the queen of not getting them all. I think I got them all. What I tell you, the queen of not getting them all. Yo, don't sleep on my inches. Just don't ever do it, because I do got some length popping off here. You just can't really tell with all of this shrinkage. So I'm gonna go ahead and start separating my hair, and we're gonna see if I can get it to look like big and cute, you know. So I'm gonna start. I ain't even gonna front a lot or pretend. My hair looks so short. It looks so short, and I know it's going to get bigger, but I'm gonna help it right along because I'm gonna use a pick. Y'all know how I am. Hopefully this helps a lot. But remember, don't pick all the way down to the ends, because that's gonna ruin the curl pattern that I worked so hard to achieve, because my hair would not dry. So we're not gonna ruin that, but I am gonna pick. Okay, so after a lot of picking, and I do mean a lot of picking, I like it. It's smaller than I'm used to. I kind of feel like I have my little baby fro again, but it's really cute, and I think it's only gonna get bigger. But I like it. Comment down below, let me know what you think as usual, but this look is definitely a little different for me because I always do my Bantu knots on stretched hair. I didn't even think it would even look kind of okay if I did it on wet hair, but it actually turned out really cute. It's a lot of shrinkage going on though. I just prepare yourself for how much your hair will shrink if you try this style. But all in all, like, I think it's a good style. It looks cute. As long as I get my volume, you know, I don't care. But I think this is really cute. I will say, my neighbor, Daughtry, I'm gonna have her channel linked down below. She really, she did it. She came through, because this is cute. I did not think this is how my hair would turn out with wet hair. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Getting ready to get a function. Bitches on my dick like a dump. Everywhere I go now, always got me jumping.